Hey y'all, I got sent over this tackle box. It has 448 pieces, 3-tray assorted tackle kit, saltwater and freshwater. Let's get it opened up and see what all we have in here, and then we're going to try out a couple of them. A little early in the season yet, but it's time to start getting ready. It looks like we've got some crankbaits here. Check this one out. We'll start over here on this side. Barely fits in there, but it does. Got a little shallow running crankbait here. Kind of a bluish to white. Might be pretty good. Depends on the water. Oh, that looks like it could be a good one. Got a little spoon here. You can see that. It's got the little rooster tail on it. Have just a regular crankbait. Oh, this has got a little spinner on the end of it. That's kind of cool looking. Give a little action there. Might be pretty good. Real good colors for this kind of water that I'm around. Kind of a murky to muddy water. This chartreuse makes a nice color in that water. Looks like we have a little frog here, a little topwater frog. It's almost that season. Spawning season starts up, and this should do a real good job. Have a little small crankbait here. Kind of a red and silver. Might be pretty good. A little weighted lure there. So we've got our next tray here. Oh, got a little plastic there. Don't have a whole lot of weight to it, so it should dive slow and work that just right and catch you a nice bass. Little crawdad there, crawfish there, shrimp, crawfish, whatever you want to call it. Little crawfish, I guess is what I'd call it. Kind of got those together. Got some plastic worms here. There's a little divider here for your tray. You can put that in your tray there. That. Got a little small lure here. Got some more plastics. Crappie season around the corner. Might do pretty good. We got a little cork here, a little weighted cork. A little bit of fishing line there. Oh, open that up, pull that down like that. Hold your fish in the mouth if you need to. Not real sure what these are, but these are swivels. So it's got some swivels and some little eyes. Some little leaders here. A little still leader. So I can add some stickers. Another bobber. These are not weighted here. Well, I got some little bitty hooks right there. Some weights, more weights, different kinds of weights. A little baby bobber for them baby hooks. Got some nice hooks there. Those would be really good. More stickers, quite a few stickers. Some weighted hooks. Those are real nice. I like those. Weights, more weights, worm weights. Some more hooks, some more leaders. A big old swivel there. If you're running a trout line or something, that might be pretty good. More weights and hooks, whatnot. Lots of different hooks and weights in here, that's for sure. Heavy, real heavy weight there. Catfishing in some windy conditions, having to hold her down. More little hooks, another sticker. Some dividers for the trays there. Some little fishing pliers. Got a little lever right there and let that loose. Get that closed up, locked up. Don't have to worry about it catching stuff. More swivels, weights, and hooks. I got a little lure down here. Had one hiding out. More weights. As you can see, it's got a lot of weights and swivels and hooks. Good little starter kit, that's for sure. Let's give this one a try. See what that kind of action we can feel. Might get a little hit on it. I don't know. It's a little early in the season. Fish are still out in the deep, but water temperature needs to come up before we can really do some fishing. But we're going to try it out. Nice little tackle box. Plenty of little tackle to get started with. We're going to give this a try. We'll see. Water's pretty low. Probably not going to catch nothing on this right now at this time of year, but I'm going to bring that camera up closer so you can kind of see the little action that it does. That's pretty good. I think in the right environment and the right water temperature, this would do really good. And you can either work this where it's splashed like that, or you can just retrieve it in a smooth motion. Like that. You can see it kicking that water out. You can hear it too, but I don't know if y'all will be able to hear it. Kind of pop that rod tip. Get a little splash out there. I definitely want to bring this one back out here in about another month when that water really starts warming up. Now, I didn't notice it when I was showing you all these fishing pliers a while ago, but they've got a little scissors in there. Cut that line real easy. I cut off the tag a while ago, and I thought when I go to change this out, I'll show y'all how easy that cuts. See how easy that cuts? It's like a pair of scissors. I like that. Good little lure right there. I like that one. Anyway, if you are looking for a nice little tackle box, it's got a variety of lures, really to get you started. Be a good choice right here. And if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description to the Amazon product page where you can order yours today. Get ready for that warm fishing season. Water will be warming up before too long. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And I'd really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. It'd be great. And yeah, I like them right there. I tell you what, that lure right there, and that, probably even that frog here in about another month, and these pliers will make it nice. And I know this is a small tackle box, so some of you big shot fishermen, and you're looking at that and say, that's a baby box. Tell you what, if you do much bank fishing and you have to walk around, say over there, do you really want to be lugging that big old tackle box around with you, or something like this? I think this is a winner. That's it. Good little tackle box. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.